Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my amazing sa pyara sa channel Physics Universe. I hope you are all fine at your home and we are enjoying this online lectures. So guys, today's our topic is laws of reflection. So in this topic, first of all, uh, here in this diagram, I'm just writing its symbols. This is AO and this is B. This is M, N, and this is C, D. Okay. So first law of reflection. Basically, our light ray is incident from A to O. After striking on this reflecting surface, ये हमने reflecting surface में as a mirror ले लिया. So as a mirror क्या काम करेगा? Whenever this light ray is strikes on this point O, it will get reflected from here. So our reflected ray is now O to B. So first law of reflection. Always remember कि angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So this is the first law, and from this figure, what is our angle of incidence? So the angle between incident light ray and normal drawn to the reflecting surface, that angle is known as incident angle. So here angle AOM is equal to angle of reflection. So what is angle of reflection? The angle between reflected ray and the normal drawn to this reflecting surface, that angle is called angle of reflection. So here angle of reflection is MOB. This is our angle of reflection. So here we can say that I is equal to R. So this is first law of reflection. Now second law of reflection. All the incident ray, then reflected ray, and normal which is drawn perpendicular to this reflecting surface, all are lie in same plane. So सारे तीनों के तीनों एक ही plane पे होंगे. That is the second law of reflection. Okay. Now, if any light ray is, this is our reflecting surface of course, if any light ray is normally incident on this reflecting surface, what happens here now? So अगर वो O से उसने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की है और A पे वो स्ट्राइक हो रहा है, so this is our light ray like this, तो उसकी रिफ्लेक्टेड रे क्या होगी? तो वो उसी पाथ पे वापस निकल जाएगा. तो अगर O to A आया था तो A to O वापस चला जाएगा. तो here by figure I can say that I is equal to 0. अगर I 0 है तो यहाँ पर R भी 0 मिला हमें. तो दैट इज द फर्स्ट लॉ. तो हर जगह लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन तो फॉलो होगा ही जहाँ पर कहीं भी रिफ्लेक्शन है वहाँ पर. सो यहाँ पर नॉर्मली इंसिडेंट हो रहा था तो नॉर्मली ही वो ऊपर अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ट्रैवल हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट्स अवर टॉपिक. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर viewing my video lectures till the end. That means a lot to me. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel.